Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable screen mirroring on the Vivo Y200. Now, first of all, just make sure that your smartphone and the device you are mirroring your phone screen on, such as your TV, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, this feature will not work. Now, once you connect your smartphone and your TV to the same Wi-Fi network, just open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on More Connections. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Smart Mirroring. Now on this page, just tap on Connect to a mirroring device. Now as you can see, our smartphone is searching for other devices connected to the same network. Now currently I don't have a TV in front of me, so that is why it will not show me anything. But if you have a TV connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it will show the name of the TV right here. Just tap on the name of the TV to connect your TV to your smartphone, then tap on Start Now, and it will enable screen mirroring on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable screen mirroring on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.